Hi there, my name is Siwan, and today we'll talk about what is agent. Imagine having an employee who never sleeps, never calls in sick, and can handle your most boring tasks 24/7. Sounds good to be true? Well, meet AIAgents. That's your business' new best friend. First of all, let's talk about what is an LLM. LLM is actually large language models. Think of an LLM like that's really smart intern who reads everything on the internet. Actually, ChatGPT, you might heard of it, or Cloud, all these AI chatbots, they're actually large language models. They're like super powered autocomplete. You type, write me an email about, and boom, it spits out something that sounds surprisingly human. But here's the catch. They are really good at having some conversations, but they can't actually do anything in your business. They cannot check your inventory, they cannot send that email, or update your spreadsheet. They are all talk. Unfortunately, there's no action. So what is agentic workflow? Something more advanced, right? So I think that's where agentic workflow comes in. It has a very fancy name, but it's a very simple concept. Think of it like giving your smart intern a checklist and actually hands to do some stuff. And an agentic workflow is basically a very smart to-do list that can make decisions instead of just answering questions. It can actually follow a process, make choices along the way, and actually complete real tasks. It's the difference between ask your assistant, what should I do? Versus saying, handle this for me, and having them actually do it. Then it comes to the most advanced level of automation, which is the agent. So for AI agent, it's basically a large language model with superpowers. It combines that smart conversation ability with agentic workflows and the ability to actually use your business tools. So think of it like hiring someone who can read and understand your emails, check your inventory system, update your customer database, and even schedule meetings, generate reports, and do it all while you are asleep. So let's look at a real example. You have got an email from a customer asking about their order, and a regular chatbot might just draft a response, but what about an agent? It actually makes the decision for you. It reads the email, it look up the order in your system and check the shipping status, updates the customer, and adds a note to their profile that you're asking about delivery times more often. It is having that perfect employee who connects all the dots and without you having to explain everything. So that's where the real business value comes in. Now, it sounds all fun, and why should you care? Let me put this in terms that matters to bottom line. Small businesses use AI agents are seeing over 40% less time spent on repetitive tasks, and 60% faster customer response times, 90% fewer human errors on data entry, and some are literally making money while they are asleep. There's one bakery owner I know who sets up an agent that handles online orders, updates inventory, and even suggests upsells. So she went from working 70 hours per week to actually taking weekends off. So what's the next step, guys? Everything sounds so great. I think the bottom line is AI agents aren't just the future, they're available right now. And they are perfect for small business owners who wants to work smarter and not harder. Do you want to see exactly how to set up one for your own business? I'm thinking of doing a deep dive tutorial in the coming videos, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Drop a comment below with your biggest time wasting tasks, and I will show you how an AI agent could handle it. See you in the next one.